everyone. Welcome to Talk Boost. My name is Anna, and I'm your English teacher. In today's video, we are going to practice English speaking with a very important topic: daily routine. This lesson will help you speak English confidently, improve your vocabulary, practice full sentences, use English in real life. Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to Talk Boost, share this video with your friends. Now, let's begin our English practice. Relax, listen carefully, and repeat after me. Part 1. Morning routine. Let's talk about morning routine. A daily routine means the things we do every day. I wake up early in the morning. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock. When I wake up, I feel fresh and relaxed. First, I turn off my alarm. Then I get out of bed. I stretch my body and take a deep breath. After that, I make my bed. Making the bed makes my room look neat and clean. Next, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I wash my face with cold water. Washing my face helps me feel awake. Then I take a shower. I like to take a warm shower in the morning. It gives me energy for the day. After my shower, I dry myself with a towel. I wear clean clothes. I choose my clothes according to the weather. Then I comb my hair. I look at myself in the mirror and smile. Now I am ready for breakfast. Part 2. Breakfast time. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I go to the kitchen. I prepare my breakfast. Sometimes I eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I eat fruits and cereal. I like to drink a cup of tea or coffee. While eating breakfast, I think about my plans for the day. I check my phone for messages. I read the news for a few minutes. I eat slowly and enjoy my food. After breakfast, I wash the dishes. I keep the kitchen clean. Then I get ready for work or study. Part 3. Going to work or school. I leave my house at 8 o'clock. I lock the door and start my day. Sometimes I walk to work. Sometimes I take a bus. Sometimes I ride a bike. On the way, I see many people. Everyone is busy with their own life. I listen to English podcasts or music. Listening to English helps me improve my language skills. After some time, I reach my workplace or school. Part 4. Work or study routine. I start my work at 9 o'clock. I greet my colleagues and friends. I say good morning. I sit at my desk and turn on my computer. I check my emails. I make a to-do list. I focus on my work. I complete my tasks one by one. Sometimes I attend meetings. Sometimes I talk to students or clients. Sometimes I work quietly. I take short breaks to relax my mind. During breaks, I drink water or tea. At work, I try to stay positive and productive. Part 5. Lunchtime. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. I eat lunch with my friends or colleagues. Sometimes I eat at home. Sometimes I eat at a restaurant. For lunch, I eat rice, vegetables, and curry. Sometimes I eat pasta or salad. We talk and laugh during lunch. Lunchtime helps us relax. After lunch, I take a short walk. Then I go back to work. Part 6. Afternoon routine. In the afternoon, I continue my work. I feel a little tired, but I stay focused. I drink tea or coffee to stay active. I complete my remaining tasks. I check my work carefully. By evening, I finish my work. I feel satisfied and happy. Part 7. Evening routine. I leave work at 6 o'clock. I go back home. The evening feels calm and peaceful. After reaching home, I change my clothes. I wash my hands and face. In the evening, I like to relax. Sometimes I go for a walk. Sometimes I do exercise or yoga. Sometimes I talk with my family. I spend some time on my hobbies. I like reading books. I like listening to music. I like watching English videos. I also practice English speaking every day. Practice makes me confident. Part 8. Dinner time. I have dinner at 8 o'clock. Dinner is usually light. I eat vegetables, soup, or rice. I eat dinner with my family. We talk about our day. After dinner, I clean the table. I wash the dishes. Then I prepare for the next day. Part 9. Night routine. At night, I relax my mind. I stop using my phone early. I read a book or listen to soft music. I think about my day. I feel grateful for everything. Before sleeping, I brush my teeth again. I wash my face. I set my alarm for the next morning. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I close my eyes and sleep peacefully. Sleep is very important for a healthy life. Part 10. Daily routine. Simple speaking practice. Now, let's practice speaking together. Repeat after me. I wake up early every day. I brush my teeth and take a shower. I eat breakfast in the morning. I go to work or school. I work hard during the day. I eat lunch in the afternoon. I relax in the evening. I eat dinner with my family. I go to bed early at night. Excellent. Keep practicing every day. Part 11. Why daily routine is important. A good daily routine helps us stay healthy, stay organized, manage time, reduce stress. When you follow a routine, life becomes easier. Practicing English daily is also a routine. Even 10 minutes a day can improve your English. Part 12. Questions for practice. Now answer these questions in English. 1. What time do you wake up? 2. What do you do in the morning? 3. What do you eat for breakfast? 4. Do you work or study? 5. What do you do in the evening? 6. What time do you go to bed? Try to answer in full sentences. You are doing great. Remember, English is not difficult. You just need daily practice and confidence. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. If you practice a little every day, you will speak English fluently one day. If this video helped you, like this video, subscribe to Talk Boost, share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing. Keep learning. See you in the next video. Goodbye and take care.